Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty here with 4 of my favorite things in the world. It's Italian meats. I got some mortadella.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
Well, you're one of them.
Okay.
But my meats, my Italian meats, I love mortadella, prosciutto, or
Prosciutto.
some gabagool, or gabagool is like capicola.
Or you mean it is capicola?
Hot cappy.
Okay.
Capicola,
Okay.
gabagool. And some Genoa salami make for the perfect breakfast sandwich. You want to make one?
Let's do it.
All right. Now this one is so fun because it's just a few simple ingredients for a very delicious, kind of old school breakfast. So we have some arugula. I love arugula because it's very peppery. We're just gonna toss it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and that is it. Nice and simple.
So it has to be extra virgin olive oil.
Yes, extra virgin olive oil is great for salad dressings or sauces. So go with extra virgin. Now we're just going to slide that aside, and we have our lavish bread. Lavish bread is kind of like tortilla. It's a flatbread. It's much more healthy. It has protein. It's low in carb. It cooks up great on the Blackstone. So we're just going to lightly spray it with a little bit of olive oil. Put this down onto the Blackstone on low heat. Let it begin to crisp up. Now we're going to grab our cheeses. We have our provolone and our mozzarella. This is going on the outside. This is going to act like our glue. So
and this is pretty cheesy. There's quite a bit of cheese here.
Well, I love cheese.
Cheese is amazing.
And I love cheese with my meats.
Well,
so we're going to layer it up with our Genoa salami, our hot cappy or gabagool.
Come on, Betty.
Gabagool.
Okay.
And then we're going on top with some nice prosciutto.
Yes, or prosciutto. Prosciutto, as most humans being say.
Then we're going to finish it off with one of your favorites, mortadella.
I had not tried it until today.
It's fabulous. Mortadella is just a pork meat. It's like a bologna.
It's fancy bologna.
Fancier. Yes, you have the peppercorn in it. You have some pistachio in it. It's kind of hard to find, so if you can't find it, skip it. But if you do find it, let me know if you enjoy it because it's just so delicious. It's a treat. Once that's all layered up, we're going to crack down our eggs.
Sexy eggs?
I have sexy, fresh chicken eggs straight from Nate's Chickens.
Yes, we do.
These are beautiful. So we're going to drop them down in a little bit of oil. We're going to steam these with a little bit of water to base them under this dome.
Is that like the trick to sexy eggs? Like the steaming process?
Well,
because it's a process. These sexy eggs, they've got their own like world.
Sexy eggs come from very low to no heat. After you had your griddle on, I like to turn it off, kind of let those eggs cook in that residual heat. If you want a nice over easy egg, also this would be a basted egg. If you have a problem flipping them, use the dome, a little squirt of water, and you will have perfect eggs every single time. Now on the side where there's just cheese, we're gonna go over that with a nice spread of our Cento hot pepper spread. This gives it such a nice kick of heat, which I absolutely love.
This is another condiment I've never used before. Well, I should start using more, don't you think?
Because you guys all love your hot peppers, your jalapenos.
Yeah.
But this would be cherry peppers, more of
a sweeter relish kind of, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's got a nice bite to it. So we're just going to spread that across our provolone and our mozzarella. Top it off with our eggs. We're going to slide this onto our cutting board. We're going to place a nice heaping handful of our arugula that we seasoned up with a little salt and pepper on one side. Finish it off with a balsamic reduction or balsamic glaze. You can find these easily in the store already made. Then we're just going to fold it in half, cut it in half, or into fours, however many people you're serving, because this is a big sandwich, enough to share with family or friends.
So,
and then we're going to take a bite.
So you just literally fold this in half.
That's it.
And
it's the beauty of it, because it's such a fatty, good, hearty breakfast. You kind of want to go with a nice low-carb, lavish bread, or
it seems like it's going to be messy.
It is.
Because there's a lot of what you call dippy eggs.
Dippy eggs. Dippy eggs are sexy, runny, drippy, juicy eggs.
All right.
Against that meat, you're going to love it. Watch.
Okay, if you say so. Show
me.
me.
You want me to cut you another smaller piece?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Since we have to share it.
Oh,
you see all that arugula? I love a lot of arugula in this.
Uh-oh.
I got
a hanger there.
Nice. That's the prosciutto.
The prosciutto.
Look at that.
Oh.
Now, if you don't
Betty.
like the heat, skip it, but I'm going to tell you, you're going to love this one.
That is...
Can I eat it now?
Please, by all
Oh,
means.
my goodness.
You've worked so hard on that one.
Look.
Uh-oh.
You hear the crunch from the arugula?
Yep.
That's why I put like so much on there, because it's like a salad and a hoagie and breakfast all in one thing.
It's a sogi.
And the lavish
Or
makes
halad.
me feel a little bit better for eating all of
Right.
this. Now you gotta try it.
Oh, can you cut me, or, okay, I'll just, all right.
What if I make you eat this? Here.
Oh,
Just
gosh.
Bite that. Bite
Okay,
that.
help me hold that.
Woo! I love when he tries new things. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Look. If you aren't eating a sandwich that runs down your fingers and your hands to your elbows, then it ain't a
You're
sandwich.
missing out.
It is not a sandwich in my world if it's not this drippy and messy.
I love that. The arugula in there.
That
It's
pepper,
so good.
the
Yeah,
crunch.
that peppery
you
crunch
kind
to
of
it.
have every kind of texture in this sandwich, which is why I love it. That's it. Super simple ingredients, super simple food, but it's gorgeous and it's easy and it's a crowd pleaser, right? You could even make it.
If I'm the crowd, consider myself pleased.
Yes.
Winner, winner.
Then can I kind of like ring your bell?
Hey, do it. But we need, wait, you can't ring the bell without something to drink.
Oh man.
So if only we had somebody who would deliver. Oh my goodness.
It's like magic.
It's a kind of
Just appears whenever you talk about the bell, drinks appear.
They just show up.
Which I love.
Ring that bell, baby. Ring it and bring it. There it is.
Cheers.
Where should they go to get this recipe and more? Oh, wait, you gotta take a sip. Yeah, I hate to interrupt you.
You do that to me every time.
Now, let me help you out. Go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton more. Be sure to check out Betty's show, Family Style. Be sure to check out Todd's show, The Tobin's Own, or Let's Give It a Try. You do not want to forget...
Nate's show.
Nate, there's that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about him.
Hey, how long have you guys been here? 'Cause I want to buy that.
Well,
Can I feed you?
oh, speaking of Nate's show,
Yeah.
way to steal
I
the
love
show.
feeding these guys more than anything in the world.
All right, sorry to interrupt.
Oh, yeah, I
Me
bet
too.
you are. Yeah, so Nate's show, it's okay. And then CJ's first cooking show, it's pretty funny too. It's all right.
That's all right. But this is Family Style, so don't forget to leave me a comment for my video and share this one, and forget about the boys just for like an hour or something. But make it, post it, share it, enjoy it.
Love
and,
it.
Yep, tell me how you like it. And make sure you tell me if you find that mortadella. Because that, to me, is key to a good sandwich.
Why don't you ring it and take us out? Ring that
right.
bell one more time. We're done.
Bye, guys.
Oh, you got to ring first.
Oh.
Ring first.
Well, after.
Oh, okay. I guess we're just making up rules around here. There
They
we
don't
go
let
again.
me make no rules around here.
All right, all right, all right.
Bye, guys.